Hey there, what is Flashfood app is grocery deals. So let's just try to download it and see how it works. I think this app is available mostly in US and Canada. Yeah, and then this is the cool app to save a lot on your grocery bills. And you can just, with the help of this app, find some leftover groceries or something like that at incredible discounts. So something like fruit, vegetables, meat, fish, bread. Um, Flashfood shows you nearby grocery stores with up to 50% savings on regular priced food nearing its best by date. So yeah, if if you see in a supermarket, like sometimes it says like this product will expire in 3 days or all of that, like if no one buys it, they will just throw it out, but they offer it also for you to just buy it as well and not waste this food. So it's also a good app, not only from the point of saving money, but also from like some climate action and reducing waste and all of that. So pretty nice idea. There is a similar app called Too Good To Go. So to create an account, you can just tap continue with Apple and then you can just sign in. Okay, so there is some issue with that, but anyhow, you can also just continue as a guest. Uh, so yeah, as I said, probably this app is only available in United States, so you will be able to use it here. So for example, in New York, you can just go and browse some stores and then just find some discounts here. So then you can just go to the store, for example, and then you can find some deals which you can get out, and instead of paying like $6.99, you can pay like $3.49, and you can just find the list of products which are kind of expiring, and then you can just drive on your car and pick it all up like with 50% discount, and then you can see when is it open and all of that. So yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. That's how it might work. So pretty cool. If you live not far from that place, you can actually save some good money. And if you're doing a lot of grocery shopping, there's definitely the app where you can save some money and all of that.